thank you once again, everyone, for joining today. So, before we get started with our agenda that we have, so we will do one Vaishnava song, which is a very auspicious song. Actually, as we have seen, and we have reiterated this point so many times, to be in the path of bhakti, we need the mercy of our senior Vaishnavas and Guru Parampara. So this song also highlights that the particular the mercy that we are all seeking for. So this song is a very nice song coming from that particular bhav. So we'll sing, and the meaning is very important. So we'll read the meaning of this song also, and then get started with our class. So this is called E Baro Karuna Karo. So this is a Bengali song, but the bhava is very important. E Baro Karuna Karo Vaishnava Gosai E Bhava Karuna Karo Vaishnava Gosai Patita Pavana Hetu Toma Bina Kohina Patita Pavana Toma Bine Kehona Jahara Nikate Gele Pape Dure Jahara Nikate Gele Pape Dure Yemona Dayala Prabhu Deke Bo Kothapa Yemona Dayala Prabhu Kebo Kothapa Gangara Parasa Hoile Pasete Pava Gangara Parasa Hoile Pasete Pava Dasane Pavitra Kure E Tomara Haristane aparade tare harinam Haristane aparade tare harinam Tomastane aparade nahi paritara Tomastane aparadhe nahi paritram Tomara hrudaye sada Govinda Vishram Tomara hrudaye sada Govinda Vishram Govinda Kohena Mora Vaishnava Paran Govinda Kohena Mora Vaishnava Paran Prati Janme Kuri Asha Charaniradu Prati janme kori asa charane raduli नरोत्तम करो दया अपनार बोली। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। नरोत्तम ठाकुर जय नरोत्तम ठाकुर, नरोत्तम ठाकुर जय नरोत्तम ठाकुर जय नरोत्तम ठाकुर जय नरोत्तम ठाकुर, नरोत्तम ठाकुर जय नरोत्तम ठाकुर, नरोत्तम ठाकुर जय नरोत्तम ठाकुर। हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। हरे कृष्ण। Thank you very much for joining today in the final and the feedback session. So I request all of you, if you can switch on your videos, that would be nice. But if you are unable to, that's also fine. So the agenda for today is that we wanted to take some of your learnings that you have gained and your takeaways, and also if you have any particular feedback that you wanted to share with your personal experience, so that not only the way it has impacted your life, and also the course, if it can be improved, any suggestions that you wanted to give, etc. So that's the agenda. And in addition to that, we wanted to play some videos that we were saying that we will be playing those videos. But primarily, the session is more for your presentations and your feedback, if you have any. So you can raise your hands, those who would like to share. There is no compulsion, but it is always good to, this is a purificatory activity. So when you are sharing certain things, we are not doing it for our own self ego satisfaction, but it is to get rid of our ego. And so that with humble attitude, we should take up this as a seva. So we are doing it as a seva. That seva bhav should be there. But yeah, so please, if anybody can raise their hands, those who wanted to do the presentations or give you the feedback, please, you can do that, please.
Usha Mataji,
Yeah,
you can unmute Mataji.
Okay, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Welcome to this last day of this Gita session. It was really Hare Krishna to all devotees also. Very good morning. Fabulous session, Prabhuji. This was really a fabulous one. It was marvelous. Krishna Swami Prabhuji is a great presenter and tutor for presenting us with great style, with citing so many examples and giving us an opportunity to just interrupt him in the middle and asking questions. That was really very nice of him. Hats off to you, Prabhuji. It was really a wonderful session, which made this session, because of these examples and all, because of these questions and all, this session was really enjoyable and informative. And to keep this motivation on, the notes which you have shared has been noted down by me in my diary, which I go through daily and get motivated on that, and to keep this momentum on. Really, thanks to you, Prabhuji, for this wonderful session. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Mataji, for your wonderful sharing. So if there is anything that I got is from the Guru Parampara's mercy. Thank you very much, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you for your wonderful participation. Anybody would like to share their experiences and wanted to reveal their innermost feeling about this course and what you learned.
Yeah, Pawan Kumar Banguri Prabhu, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, Prabhu. Jai Sri Krishna Prabhu.
Right.
You showed the mode of goodness of those who are participated in the what Sri Krishna Sadhaka Prabhu. So yeah, definitely we will follow the Krishna's path and your path also. I am ensured to say will reach my more heights on the new basis of Sri Krishna's path Prabhu. Will forget will grateful to you till my last breath. I have never seen such that type
Can
of
you keep your video
Prabhuji.
stable,
My
Prabhu?
Prabhu, what Prabhu?
Can you keep the video stable? Because it's
Ah,
yeah.
okay, but I'm not getting proper signal Prabhu due to cloudy weather. So that's why I'm roaming to speak with you, Prabhu.
Okay, Prabhu.
Okay,
So do one thing, Prabhu.
Yeah.
Go to a place where the signal is good, then you can speak because the audio is not coming properly.
Okay.
Stay for a while, sit down somewhere where the network is good, then you can speak. Is that okay?
Yes, Prabhu. Okay.
Yeah. So you
Is
can
it audible to you, Prabhu?
you can
Yes.
sit down somewhere, Prabhu, because there is some chirping sound also coming.
Okay, Prabhu. Is
Yeah,
it
Puja
clear to you,
Mataji,
Prabhu?
first, are you okay now, Pawan Kumar Prabhu?
Yeah.
Hello, Prabhu.
Yeah.
Yes, you can go ahead.
Yes, you can go ahead, Prabhu. Please go ahead.
Okay, Prabhu.
Start from the beginning, Prabhu.
Okay, Prabhu. So you showed the mode of goodness, Prabhu, to those who are participated in the morning section, and the Bhagavad Gita is the source of knowledge. You explained why we are doing for why you are for you had given a clear picture to the all Sri Krishna devotees, Prabhu. Really, you are great person, Prabhu. You will become a stalwart once again. You will become a stalwart, Prabhu. We'll forget your life. Will sorry, what it's called? Will grateful to you till my last breath. You are awesome. I have no words. I have no words to. I have no words to express to you, Prabhu. Really, you are a great person. You are become my inspiration and motivation also, Prabhu. Before what we call before I didn't join in Bhagavad Gita, I can't control my emotions. But if I was chanting or reading Bhagavad Gita, I can control my emotions and set my constraint and I set my constraint limit also, Prabhu. Within fortnight within fortnight I will reach more heights of for the Krishna's blessings, Prabhu. Thank you very much, Prabhu. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prabhuji, for your wonderful sharing and also for bringing out some inner emotions that you have. And we are in the Krishna's path. So we will endeavor and continue this association. Thank you so much, Prabhu, for your wonderful association.
Prabhu,
Yes.
Prabhu, I want to add one more thing to you, Prabhu.
Go ahead, Prabhu.
We'll send one gift to you, Prabhu. Please accept my gift. Please, Prabhu, please.
Yeah, please.
Please say nod. Please say nod to me, Prabhu.
Okay,
Please
Prabhu.
say nod.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Anything for your satisfaction. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you.
Yeah, for Pawan Kumar Prabhuji, I can just say that he has been very sincerely and
Yes, Prabhu.
with the time he has joined us for last 20 days. So, and his questions were there. I know he had so many things. Thank you, Prabhu, for participating with us.
Thank you.
Krishna Rao Prabhu, you can unmute yourself.
If Krishna Rao Prabhu is not ready, any other devotee can.
Yeah, Puja Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Very good morning to all devotees in Hare Krishna. So I'll tell like the journey was very awesome. I have been with the association of Swami Prabhuji for a long time. Like I was joining that evening sessions also at 7:30, and so it was really great. And I was the one who asked the question of how to control the anger and all. Then I came to know about modes of nature. So I understood that what is my mode of nature and what is the other's mode of nature. And if that understanding and I got, and it was really great at how I can see that I was out of mode of passion. I was behaving like that because uh, that's my mode of nature, and how I should control it to go to mode of goodness. So really this has helped me to distinguish between why I am getting angry and how I can control it. And yeah, I'm trying to take up chanting. I just hope that I'm able to get up early. Yeah. So I need blessings of all the devotees and Prabhuji. And thank you so much, Prabhuji. Along with the spiritual knowledge, you gave lot of food habit knowledge and Ayurveda and all. I really get very inspired from that. And I just don't know how you manage so many things, because for me, managing two things are also very difficult. I just hope someday I am able to follow your path. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Mataji, for your wonderful association and the enthusiasm and the determination with which you stay in this group and following the Krishna consciousness process is a role model for us. And thank you, Puja Mataji. Hare Krishna. Dandavad Pranam. Yes.
Prabhu, so Khushbu Soni Mataji, you can unmute yourself.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Dandavad Pranam.
Dandavad Pranam. Mataji, your video is not on, but as you wish.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Mataji.
Yes.
Prabhuji, firstly, thank you so much, Krishna Swami Prabhu, Raghunath Prabhu, and the entire team who's working selflessly to bring up these sessions, and also ISKCON Hyderabad for letting us know about these events. And secondly, I would like to talk about the way Krishna Swami Prabhu has taught us in a very creative, using the PPTs and using the examples. It was incredible, Prabhuji, because understanding Bhagavad Gita is not that easy, because it's not because Bhagavad Gita is reading is difficult, but it's Bhagavad Gita is all about understanding various aspects in a very deep manner. So thank you, Prabhuji, for helping us understand in a very simplified manner, because whenever I used to attend the classes and whenever I used to go and study Gita, it would be very easy for me to follow up again. And I would like to talk about two important aspects. There are so many, of course, but since time is a constant, I would like to talk about two major impacts. That is firstly about the chapter 17, which Prabhuji spoke about different types of food. Because earlier I never knew that even diet plays a very important role in spiritual progress. But then before session, I didn't know about the diet concept. But after this session, I got to know about various types of food and how you have to be very conscious about what you're taking and what are the foods that will help you for your spiritual progress and everything. Earlier, I was not a very conscious person about eating, but now after knowing so many facts, I got to know so many things about what type of food we have to intake. So that was one of the very major impact in my life. And secondly, about chapter 3, I guess, about karma yoga and everything. Because since I'm a student and also working professional, so it gets many a times it would be very difficult for me to concentrate on one particular thing, and I used to think a lot about the consequences, what would happen like after every duty. Since Prabhuji have taught us about Nishkama Karma and Bhakti Yoga, Buddhi Yoga, so I got a very strong confidence in me that we have to do our prescribed duties, and we shouldn't get attached to more of the results part. We should just give our best. This is what Krishna has taught me. So these are the two important aspects that I've learned so much from. And of course, thank you, Prabhuji, for helping us understand so many things. And there are so many positive changes before and after the session. So thank you so much, Prabhuji, for your great support.
Thank you, Mataji. So you have always been our inspiration in this course. I shouldn't hesitate to tell that, because sometimes whenever I see an young generation and taking up Krishna consciousness, I feel so happy, because in my life, I couldn't really get this in time. So, but again, Krishna's mercy that whenever we wanted to get, we'll get it. So that's his arrangement. And so thank you so much, Mataji, the kind of participation that you did and the kind of questions that you've been asking. Not only it has clarified for yourself, but it has more helped others and for me also to understand the subject matter much more in depth. Thank you so much, Mataji. So please continue.
Thank you so much, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much,
Thank
Mataji.
Thank you.
Yeah, Prabhuji, Mataji has been always, so punctual and always so much involved. I could see by her face, and she used to reflect the kind of things she was going through the classes. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Raghunath, for always your support. Prabhuji, I've always answered all my questions, irrespective of how many questions I used to ask. But thank you, Prabhu.
So there are so many questions that are still pending, I know. So we should be able to address. And Krishna Rao Prabhu has so many questions. So I'll request Krishna Rao Prabhu to go next if we can share his experiences.
Yes. Krishna Rao Prabhuji, you can unmute yourself, please.
Prabhuji, please accept my pranamas.
You can switch on your video, Prabhu, if you would like to.
Hello?
You can switch on your video, Prabhu.
Video.
There is a stop video, start video. That icon would be there. If you are on your mobile. Oh, thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, this session of Bhagavad Gita has come so abruptly, I'm not able to visualize. Means it has come all of a sudden. Means I thought I'll be having more of Bhagavad Gita and it will further improve my life. But all the same, 18 chapters, what is the period you have mentioned? And I have learned a lot from Bhagavad Gita, and especially from your explanations of various karmas, Bhakti Yoga, Buddhi Yoga, and all this, what we have to do in this life, what is karma, what is all that aspects of Supreme Personality of Godhead, which I had no inclination earlier. Now at least I've got some insight into what is Krishna consciousness, and I hope I can improve on this by daily following that Bhagavad Gita and improving on slokas. Slokas, I'm not able to do it correctly. So I want to more stress on the reading of slokas so that I can at least to some extent I'll be able to follow it. Thank you all the Prabhujis, and one more request from me is Bhagavatam, whenever you take up, you please let us know. I want to join in Bhagavatam course. Thank you, Prabhujis.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji, Krishna Rao Prabhu. You have been so much inspiring to all of us, especially the Atato Brahma Jignasa. That Jignasa is there with you, and you have been so much a source of inspiration to all of us. So thank you very much, Prabhu. And we will also do Bhagavatam classes, and we will be able to definitely need your association for that also. No, thank you very much, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. And some of your questions are still pending with me, so I know I will address it, Prabhu. So please do keep pounding with so many questions. So that is going to inspire me, especially for going, because I have my own laziness, I have my own baggage, so I have to overcome it. But your association and your questions have always inspired me, Prabhu. And you will be a good preacher in future. Please mark my words. You are going to be a good preacher. So please continue to endeavor in that direction. Asking questions. Thank you.
For your blessings. Many thanks for blessings.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
And yes, to say a line, a few lines. Krishna Rao Prabhu always has been, dot in the time. In fact, at times he had been before us, and always trying to, accommodate whatever way he used to ask us a question. We sometimes have not addressed it. Yes, Prabhuji, thank you very much for joining with us.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you.
So, Prem Raja Prabhu, you have unmuted, but first let us take from Kandukuri Sandhya Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam. So I have just prepared a small presentation.
Can you
just permit me?
switch on the video, Mataji? Is that okay?
Yeah, I will switch on, sir. Once you give this permission, little bit of that net problem. Once I display the screen, then I will do it. You are muted, Prabhuji.
Yeah, Mataji, you can go ahead.
You are able to see, Prabhuji? Hare Krishna.
Mataji, 1 minute. We are not able to see.
Sir, Prabhuji, it is showing as host disabled participant screen share.
We have to make. Prabhuji, you are mute. Prabhuji, you are mute. Yeah, Prabhuji.
Yeah, Mataji, you can probably go now.
Oh, I'll just try. Yeah.
Okay, so your video, it says some icon which is you're not able to start.
Yeah.
So just check that.
Is my screen visible, Prabhuji, now?
Nothing is visible, Mataji.
Nothing is visible. Just a minute, Prabhuji.
Okay. Gordhan Prabhu, what is the problem? Anything that you know?
Again, it is showing as disabled.
I'm making you co-host, Mataji. Let us see if that can really help you.
Yes. Prabhuji sees co-host now. Mataji is co-host.
Yeah, now I could get it. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji. Yeah, it is there.
Now you're able to see, Prabhuji?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just a minute, Prabhuji. Is it okay, Prabhuji?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'll just start it. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. This is myself, Sandhya Rani. So I just take 5 minutes of your precious time.
Now take your time, Mataji. There's no hurry. We wanted people like you to come up and do this presentation. It's a really honor and so privileged that we are having your presentation. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Prabhuji. I just wanted to utilize this platform to express my learnings so that at least wherever there are shortcomings or the gaps, at least you could help me out in understanding the subject more clear and better. So I'll just start with. So Bhagavad Gita is a classic conversation between the Krishna and Arjuna. This has been, happened 5,000 years ago, and this was spoken to display the lamentation of an ignorant man. So Bhagavad Gita can be understood only by the grace of the Supreme Lord and by the grace of the Guru. So, and we have learned that this process has to be learned via deductive process, which is our Avaroha. And one more thing is, now I would like to say there are totally 18 chapters in which it has been divided into 3 segments. One is Karma Yoga, one is Bhakti Yoga, and the other is Gnana Yoga. So we have understood the main core Bhakti Yoga is the theme of the Bhagavad Gita, and there are 700 slokas in this. And the main qualification of understanding this Bhagavad Gita is, faith and the dedication. This is what it. So I have just divided the PowerPoint into 3 aspects. The first is Sambandha, the second one is the Prayojana, and the other one is, the second one is Abhideya, and the other one is the Prayojana. So just to understand Sambandha, so we have taken knowledge on the 5 parameters, which, Bhagavad Gita has been primarily focused on. One is on the super soul, one is karma, kala, and the material nature, where all are eternal, whereas karma itself only one parameter, which is temporary. So here we are understanding the Krishna is the supreme personality. Okay, so just a minute. Yeah, the strong faith in the Krishna and the scriptures will elevate us one to the highest perfection of life. So we have here understood Krishna is the source of all the spiritual and the material worlds. So here everything emanates from Krishna, and he is the source and destroys all our impediments in our life. So I have distinguished between who the Krishna is and who the Jiva is, and primary, which attributes Krishna remembers, whereas the Jiva forgets it. And Krishna has a body that cannot, change, whereas the Jiva's body always changes and that deteriorates. Krishna is considered to be a Vibhu, and we are Anu. He is a whole, and we are, part and parcel. Krishna appears by his own will, whereas the living entity by his karma. And Krishna has a transcendental body, and the Jiva has a material body. And coming to soul, soul is indestructible, and we could understand the dharma of the soul, which is a prime important and relevant thing in our lives. That is, our eternal nature is to serve the Lord, which we have always forgotten about it. And the symptom of the soul is consciousness, and the nature of the soul is to always enjoy. Now, something to say about karma. Karma is something, duties and the activities of the Jiva, and everyone has to involve themselves into the Swadharma and the Sanatana Dharma. And we have understood the best yoga is the Buddhi Yoga. Though there are various yogas, and we have understood we have to take the lift and try to reach the Buddhi Yoga. The main benefits of the Buddhi Yoga is freedom from the good and the bad reaction, freedom from the cycle of birth and death, and indifferent to the Vedic rituals. How it is indifferent? The Vedic rituals, there are so many other parameters are there where we have to do this to attain this, we have to do this to attain this. So, but Buddhi Yoga is very easy and very practical. And in this way, we can attain the divine consciousness. And coming to Kala, so we cannot escape out of the Kala, and we have to surrender to Krishna to attain this transcendental peace, and we have to go back to the Supreme Lord without the sinful reactions. This is what is our ultimate goal. And about the material nature, we have understood this at length. Almost 3 to 4 sessions we have covered. In the divine and the demonic qualities we have covered. We have covered the 3 modes of material nature we have covered. This plays a very vital role. So we should always understand that we should be in a goodness mode, and we have to give our efforts to rise above these 3 modes. We should rise above the goodness also to become the free from anxieties. And we have understood Krishna is a non-doer, and Jiva is only desiring it, and the Lord is sanctioning it, and ultimately it is the material nature which executes our desires. And this is our main core subject, the establishing of relationship with Lord Krishna. So we understood we are not a body, we are a soul, we are part and parcel of the Krishna, and we can never become one with Krishna. We are always different. So our ultimate constitutional position is to understand that we need to serve Krishna. And so the relationship is with Krishna to be established with our reading and the hearing aspects. So now coming to Abhideya process. Abhideya process, so we have so many yogas which we understood. One is Karma Kanda. Karma Kanda is the lower level of understanding. It is only the regulated sense gratification. Sakama Karma, we did Nishkama Karma, we did Jnana, Ashtanga, and the Bhakti Yoga. And finally we understood Arjuna, he himself was saying that this mind is a very wandering mind. So we cannot definitely focus on the Ashtanga. So when the elevated devotee, he himself is saying, what about us? So it is very practically, shown that Bhakti Yoga is one of the simplest and the easiest way of achieving the Lord. And this is help us in, taking more of a loving devotional service to the God. Apart from this, we have understood the multiple terms, akarma, and what is karma and what is akarma. So we understood vikarma is a forbidden action and it is not according to the prescribed duties and will lead to negative reactions. And karma, it is the pious activities and we will get the positive reactions, and it is as per the prescribed duties. And when it is coming to akarma, it is a God-centered activities which everyone has to follow it, and it leads to no reaction, that is inaction. This is a wonderful thing. This is the main core of the subject, ultimate core of the subject, which we have understood it. And finally, coming to the implementation part of it, so we have to do it through our sadhyaya, sadhana, and the seva. So how would we be doing it? So here it is like fixing our mind and the senses on Krishna, and by following the 9 processes and by following the 4 regulative principles: no meditating, no illicit sex, and the other 2. And now coming to following of the ABCD, that is association of the devotees, reading books, chanting, diet, and the engagement of the deity worship. So we should always engage ourselves in all these things. We should not do any sort of gambling things. We should not do no meat eating, no non-violence and all. And ultimately, what are the austerities which we need to follow to achieve our desired goal of reaching Goloka is waking up early, doing prescribed rounds, attending the morning programs, the morning temple programs, offering obeisances, observing Ekadashi and festivals, Vaishnava Seva, charity in the mode of goodness, and the distribution of goods. So this completes the Abhideya, the process. And now coming to the Prayojana, the ultimate goal of doing all our process. These are the symptoms of the love for Krishna, and this is the stage of Sthita Prajna where we would be reaching this position once we do the process of Abhideya. So the first one we can say is we can enjoy all our senses for the sake of Krishna consciousness, and we will be always self-satisfied in realizing the eternal relationship with the Lord, and equipoised in all the dualities, honor and dishonor, good and bad, summer and winter, and will be always free from the fear, anger, and all the material desires, and firmly fixed in perfect knowledge. And we always withdraw our senses like a tortoise. A tortoise, when there is finding any danger, it will pull out all its limbs inside. So whenever there is any sort of danger, it will release its senses. The same way, whenever there is something not elevating us to the spiritual knowledge, we have to withdraw our senses. So the other one is pleasure and pain. The Krishna conscious person will be focused with the determination to serve the Lord, and will always go up for the higher taste. And we have a sense of that we are not a proprietor, we are not an enjoyer, we should not have a false hope. The ultimate enjoyer is the Lord Krishna. And we'll really look forward for the spiritual and the godly life without bewilderment. And devotee should never envy, and he is always a part of Krishna. And steady progress in this spiritual path, it will achieve the transcendental bliss. And finally, the entire hardship, the entire struggle, what we are facing it in today's life, in this temporary material world, which is called as a Dukkalayam, we have forgot our relationship with the God. So once we revive this particular relationship with the God, and I'm sure one could be able to, ultimately reach the Goloka, which is our ultimate goal. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. This is my small presentation.
Oh, words cannot be expressed, Mataji. So nicely you have endeavored to come up with this presentation. So really, hats off to you. So I cannot really say how much effort you have put, great effort you have put, and that shows that the determination and the faith that you have cultivated in Bhagavad Gita. So keep it up, Mataji. I really thank you for your presentation and the efforts that you have put to summarize and put everything in a nutshell. Whatever I covered and what we have discussed has come. If anybody wanted to know the summary of the entire 20 days, we can go through your presentation. Thank you so much, Mataji. I have a couple of questions. Questions.
Okay.
And I would request other audience also to ask questions. If Mataji can answer, that would be really nice. And I'm sure that she can answer.
Yes.
So my first question is that, Mataji, you mentioned that karma is not eternal. Prakriti is eternal. So it seems like contradicting for me. So can you explain what is your understanding?
Yeah, karma is the activities which we are doing life after life. The karma activities that will change because we are not here eternal here. So when we are saying we are temporary, so activities of that human body is also temporary. So this is what I have understood. Okay, and when it is coming to material nature is created by the Supreme Lord Krishna, and this is an eternal this thing.
Okay, thank you, Mataji. So as you just mentioned, anybody who, so basically what you said is correct, Mataji. See, what happens is that this karma, though it is changing from one life to another life, it is not eternal, because if Krishna decides to remove our karma, it is just like this. It will, all that will go away. So it is not eternal. It will not be ever with us. That's what it means. But the material nature is temporary, and for momentarily, for some time, it will go and get destroyed. But again, Krishna is as part of his Vishnu Tattva, he creates it again. So it is eternal. Karma, you can just remove it. When you go to Goloka, there is no karmic bank balance at all. Zero. Akarma. Basically, your bank balance is zero. Karma concept only comes in this material world. Spiritual world, there is no karma concept. So totally. Now, thank you, Mataji, for wonderful, wonderful presentation you did. And I'm sure each one of us are bestowed by Krishna's mercy, each unique qualities and unique abilities. And Mataji has really has utilized that ability that Krishna has given. And each of us, if you see in Krishna consciousness, especially in Srila Prabhupada time also, there were so many Matajis, so many Prabhujis who have utilized their desire to do seva to Krishna in unique way. One Mataji was very good in drawing paintings, and Srila Prabhupada inspired her to draw all the paintings of, if you see Bhagavatam or Bhagavad Gita, the paintings that are there all have come from two Matajis, and amazing paintings. If you could talk in terms of any beautiful pictures of Radharani or Goloka, you will be referring these photographs. So like that, each and every person has utilized. So ask yourself, how I can serve Krishna? So instead of serving this body and this, you should also do your Sanatan Dharma. So always ask, how can I serve Krishna? So Krishna will reveal to you that yes, you can put your endeavor in this direction. Or when you are in the association of senior Vaishnavas, something will prompt you and they will also engage you in some service. So this is the power of association. Thank you very much, Mataji, Sandhya Rani Mataji, for your wonderful session. And we would expect each one of you to do presentations. So that false ego which is there and the false apprehension that we have that, hey, I am not a good speaker, because that is stopping us. So express yourself. This is, we are one family. There is nobody like going to like, basically you should be expressing yourself like this is our family and we should have that bondage. Thank you very much, Mataji. So sorry, I've taken a lot of time.
2 minutes, I would like to give a final feedback.
Yes.
And I could able to do so much of presentation and a little bit of knowledge on this core subject. It is basically due to you, Prabhuji. You have explained it very nicely, and I could make out my roadmap where I am actually ultimate leading to where I am standing and how I should go ahead. And this is purely due to your explanation. And I would really look forward for a detailed Bhagavad Gita course if in case in future you are giving. So I would be part of this particular course whenever you are taking it. And thank you for all the things. Earlier I read Bhagavad Gita, but I never understood which is such a clarity, and I always had a confusion what is Nishkama, what is Bhakti, and what is the other Ashtanga Yogas, and so many terms are there related to karma. So it was really confusing for me, but ultimately I could really understood each and every yoga and ultimate yoga which we need to follow. That is thank you. And finally, last not the least, I would like to thank all my peer devotees who has really helped me a lot. Your questions also helped me to invoke my knowledge on the core subject, and it was really a very competitive environment. And thank you, thanks a lot for all the devotees and the Prabhuji, and thank you Raghunath Prabhuji for yours.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, just one line I will add. I mean, you have given this presentation. It is a true samarpan to Guru Parampara. I mean, like, okay, here Prabhuji was as a guru to all of us. So this is a real samarpan. I mean, that's an offering to Guru Parampara. And the best offering.
Prabhuji, Raghunath Prabhu, on a lighter note, I didn't understand. You said like a guru for all of us. What does that mean? So please,
you were on the Vyasasana and giving us all the knowledge. Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Meka Shukla Mataji. After that, Srinidhi Mataji.
Prabhu, yeah, we can give Prem Raja.
Yes, we forgot how he's not raised his hand.
I can do at the last. I am booking for the last.
No, Prabhu, you in the background, your hand was lightened.
It's okay. I'm just making down my hand. I'll take the last. Give me the opportunity to do the final one.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, as you wish, Prabhu. So, right. Meka Shukla Mataji, you can go next. After that, Srinidhi Mataji. You can unmute your, you can switch on your video if you would like to. Yeah, thank you, Mataji. You need to do any presentation or anything, also let us know. If it just...
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. So big thanks and big Haribol to the entire team of Gita Sandesh. They have beautifully put and structured the contents of Gita and has made it easy for all of us to understand. Because I remember when I read Bhagavad Gita before, there were a few sections which just went over my head. And I thought, okay, maybe when Krishna wishes, when I get a proper guru, I'll be able to understand. And that was fulfilled in this course. I'm really sorry that I was not an active participant in this, and I used to come in flashes, but I used to wait eagerly for the videos which used to upload and used to listen to them. So thank you for invoking that enthusiasm in me. And the most important learning which I got from this course, which imprinted my heart, is how to like the acronyms which we used, A, B, C, D, and 3S. Which we have to apply in our life, because that is the crux, that is the way how we can put this knowledge into action. So I need all of your blessings, Prabhujis and Matajis, to pursue this Krishna consciousness further. And another thing which I wanted to say is the subject matter which is put in form of acronyms had made it really easy to remember and to study Bhagavad Gita very easily. So thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam, Prabhuji. And I'm sorry I could not put up a presentation. Please forgive.
Thank you so much, Mataji. So you have always been so much inspiring to all of us, and especially we need to look for opportunities how we can serve Krishna. And Mataji, you have great abilities. Each one of you have great abilities. So please utilize at least part of that for in service of Krishna. You are doing it for your professional friend, family friend. Yes, do it. But at the same time, don't forget that our Sanatan Dharma also, we need to fill that bucket, because that's going to be an internal account with us. So each one of us have a role to play, as Krishna said in the final end. 18th chapter, those who spread this message of mine are very dear to me. If you wanted to become dear to Krishna, so spread this message in your own capacity. Maybe you can speak to your family members and explain about Bhagavad Gita, some slokas and some meanings, and why you should be able to do this Swadhyay, Seva and Sadhana. And as you just mentioned, 3 S's, that's what is I can recollect from your so nicely, A, B, C, D, E. And Sandhya Rani Mataji also talked about the E part. That's really good. Engaging yourself in deity worship. So these are some of the things are revealing and reiterating will really help us to move forward in our spiritual path. Thank you, Mataji, and I wish you all the best. And I would like each one of you to become preachers and propagate this message. So keep your association and give your association. Thank you very much, Mataji. Hare Krishna. So
yeah, Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Mataji has always been in this journey with us, and yes, we always remember her song. Even my wife also, she was saying that melodious voice.
Thank you, Mataji. Yes. So
thank you, it's all Krishna's mercy, and I wish that by Krishna's mercy, I'm able to take your association, be in your association, and be able to serve better.
So I would be your son Khana.
Kanha.
I'm sorry, Mataji. How do you? It's Khanna.
Kanha.
So I wish him good luck, and he is very fortunate that he has a parents like you. So thank you very much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, one more thing which I missed to tell, sorry, that was regarding, like, usually we are very keen in listening to stories and about Krishna's pastimes or those subject matter. But when it comes to Bhagavad Gita, it's all philosophy. So to invoke that interest is very difficult. I mean, if you try on your own, you will not get it. So thank you for the team, and thank you for your well put thoughts and how you were giving the examples. And that it made so like you were not thinking that it is philosophy or something, or which is boring or something which is not, you are not able to understand. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam, Mataji. So,
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Prabhuji, so Srinidhi, Mataji, so you can please unmute yourself.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, Srinidhi Mataji.
I thank Krishna Swami Prabhu, Raghunath Puri Prabhu, and all the devotees. Hare Krishna to all. Prabhuji, as you have said, by listening to Krishna, we get more associated. It all started with Mahabharat serial. I watched it, and there were few Gita episodes in that. After watching that, I read Bhagavad Gita, but I couldn't understand it completely. I think my experience and knowledge is not so sufficient. And then luckily, I have got to know about this, and one of my friends sent me the link, and I have joined this. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for making us understand Bhagavad Gita. And after listening to your class, I used to explain my brother. In that way, I could restore it very well, and I could recollect it. Even I tell my friends about Bhagavad Gita whenever I get a chance.
Wow.
There should be Krishna's mercy to do this. I thank Lord Krishna for allowing me to listen to this class and to explain to others also. Prabhuji, previously I used to calculate the things, and if I get success, then I used to do those things. But now I understand that it is not good to have fruitive results. We should just do what we wish, and the main thing is we should dovetail it with Krishna.
Oh.
Prabhuji, whenever I read, I will imagine that it is Krishna's wish. So to made me read this, I'm preparing for UPSC, Prabhu. I think that it is Krishna's mercy so that I could prepare for this exam and help other people. And one thing I understood is Madhav Seva and Manava Seva are so different. Previously, I used to think that if we help people, it is sufficient. There is no much, even if we don't have much association with God also, it's okay. But thank you for removing my misconception, Prabhu. We are not this body, we are the spiritual soul. So we have to connect with God. I understood this point very well, Prabhu. And previously, I used to have such impatience and anger. Now I'm trying to control it. Thank you so much for giving us this aspect also. And thank you so much, Prabhuji. I can't present like Sandhya Rani Mataji, and I request her to share her PPT in our group so that we can revisit. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Srinidhi Mataji, thank you so much. You have been a wonderful family member in this Gita Sadhaka Sandesh program. So I would really thank you. And the kind of implementation that you did, practical application that you did is amazing. That you can see the change in yourself.
Prabhuji, I want to tell my experience. As you have said, we can see Krishna everywhere. Suddenly, I was looking at the plants. Daily, I do puja to Krishna by looking at the flowers. I see that flower smiling at me. Suddenly, I saw on a plant Krishna's face. Suddenly, I'm so happy. I wanted to share this with you all. Really, it happens. Many people think that we can't see God. We can see God. I'll sing a song, Prabhu, on this.
Yeah, go ahead, Mataji.
Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham Kaun kehte hai Bhagwan aate nahi कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं. Thank you, Prabhuji.
You will be singing the entire song.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mataji, for your wonderful enthusiasm with which you have been taking up this. Enthusiasm is the key for spirituality. If you want,
I thank Lord Krishna, Prabhu. I got this enthusiasm from Lord Krishna's mercy.
Yes, Mataji. Thank you so much, Mataji. Fantastic.
And Prabhu, one more thing, last thing. We don't have ISKCON temple in Karimnagar, but whenever I visit Hyderabad, I'll visit ISKCON very frequently, Prabhuji. I'll meet you there surely.
Okay, thank you so much, Madhavi. We wish you all the good luck and keep your association, whatever you are having, and continue to give your association also. That's really the key for our success in spirituality. And please continue to endeavor and read Bhagavad Gita. Continue to read.
Yeah, Prabhuji, surely. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mataji, Srinidhi Mataji. What do you do, Mataji? You're a student, professional?
Prabhuji, I'm pursuing my BTech 4th year and I got placed in TCS also, Prabhuji.
Oh, congratulations. Very nice.
So with Lord Krishna's mercy, I got placed in Hyderabad so that when I get there, I'll reach ISKCON.
Okay, thank you so much. Please keep in touch. We will put you in right association in wherever you are working. So we have so many other devotees also. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Mataji has been a sincere, participant. Now she is like a devotee. She is speaking so many on her realizations. Thank you, Mataji, for your association with us.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Thank you for all your efforts.
So we will go ahead with Premraja Prabhu. So please go ahead, Prabhu. I'll just give you this, make you co-host. Yeah, Prabhuji, Premraja Prabhu.
I'll share the screen, Prabhu.
Yeah, you can, Prabhu. I made you co-host.
Yeah. Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam to all. First of all, I am very indebted to Krishna Swami Prabhu and Raghunath Puri Prabhu. And there was somebody by name Ashok Prabhu.
Yes.
Is he available here?
Ashok Prabhu and Govardhan Prabhu.
Yeah, and Govardhan Prabhu. Yeah, Dandavat Pranam to all the core team of this presentation of this Gita Sandesh course. And it has really very heart-touching and it is enlarging and it is very much like charging our inner consciousness towards Krishna. So by Krishna's mercy, I am a devotee of Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj.
Oh,
Fortunately,
oh.
yeah, fortunately, I got your association. All of a sudden, I mean, by Krishna willing, it has come to my WhatsApp, and I immediately said, okay, yes. So there is never the attitude of saying no to anything. Whenever one Vaishnav comes, so open the door and open your door of your heart also and mind. So I'm staying in Muscat, and my timings is 1.5 hour back. Like your 6 o'clock is my 4:30. Your 7:30 is my 6 o'clock. So I have to rush to office. Of course, from December, I have lost my job due to Corona pandemic and economic slowdown. And I'm coming back 15th June and reaching Hyderabad on 16th June.
Oh.
And I have to move from Hyderabad to Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is my place. And I'm really very much happy to get all your association. I'm missing the small boy like Aditya. I cannot say small boy because he is from age old. Unless otherwise Krishna's mercy, nobody has the right or nobody has got the opportunity to come here and get all this association what Raghunath Puri Prabhu and Krishna Swami Prabhu has given the chance to us. So we all are like blessed souls, including me and including all these Prabhuji and Matajis assembled over here. So now,
Prabhuji, before you start, can you put it in the presentation mode? That,
yeah. Is it okay, Prabhu?
Yes, fantastic.
Yeah, I would like to give Sambandha, Abhideya and Prayojana. Sambandha, to go back to Krishna, we should first understand our relationship with Krishna. If we understand this, other stages will automatically follow. Therefore, the first stage of self and God realization is the understanding that we are Atma and we are the soul, and the Krishna is Paramatma, that is the super soul, our master. So the Atma are the part and parcel of Krishna. Therefore, our relationship with the soul and super soul relationship is called Krishna consciousness. This is our Sambandha with Krishna. This can be further expanded as the Bhava, the type of love based on the relationship with Krishna. Even I'll tell you a small story, Prabhu. Like small boys who are coming with the mother to the Mangalarati program, slowly say they develop the Krishna consciousness in their mind and heart. So catching hold of mother's finger, they are coming to the Mangalarati even early morning, and by watching all the devotees dancing over there, doing kirtan, doing all the seva in the temple, they inculcate the Krishna consciousness in their mind. So coming to the slide, some may love Krishna as child. So I have seen some parents after long hours, long years of conjugal life, married life, they are not getting child. So they can bring Krishna, okay, wishing that, okay, Krishna will come to my house so that I will become a mother. People cannot give comment on my marriage like that. So they can love Krishna as a child. So some may love Krishna as a moderate devotee. So any devotee comes, we have to find Krishna within them. That way we have to like them. Once Prabhupada said, like, if you want to like me, you have to like my dogs. Similarly, any devotee at any stage, senior or junior, black or white, this country, that country, any nationality, doesn't matter. Devotee is devotee. Prabhupada has made one single family. Okay, so we have to like the devotee. Some may love Krishna as lover. There are boys and there are girls, they are getting involved with the love case. But suppose we want to change our attitude towards Krishna, so that will be becoming very nice. Some may love Krishna as a friend. Yes, a true friend is required for our life. Without friendship, nothing works. So friend is always helpful at the time of need. Thus, we can develop different kinds of relationship with Krishna in all the above points. However, the base of all this relationship, of our eternal relationship, is we are the soul and the super soul is Paramatma, the Krishna. So we are part and parcel of Krishna. Coming to the second slide, Abhaya. Abhaya means acting according to the relationship that we have understood with Krishna. Until we are in body consciousness, until we considered ourselves as body and identified with bodies only, we were under the control of illusion, that is called Maya. Maya is very powerful. Its prabhav is very powerful than anything else on this earth. So Maya will attract you towards your all the illusions. For example, we identified ourselves as Indian, somebody saying American, African, like that, looking very beautiful or ugly, or being wealthy or poor, all the discriminations, because we identified others with our body or status. So this status and the label will go futile. Like Corona is coming, everything is gone, somebody has to go, yes, I have to leave this body. But after understanding our sambandha, relationship with Krishna, we should act cultivating our Atma. In other words, we should show that the sambandha in action. This is called abhidheya. Then, when we act as Atma and our real relative of Krishna, we will consider the living beings and all the creations as the products of Krishna. So that is single family, and we will see Krishna within everyone and on everything. When we come to the stage of seeing Krishna everywhere, and that is called Ramarajya, we can say. So we'll have only one relationship, that is Krishna-centric world. So Krishna at center, and we all are revolving around him. So we'll consider our relationship as body-oriented, and hence these relationship, and when this body dies, everything goes. However, our soul is the eternal relationship with Krishna, and Krishna is eternal, so it doesn't die. So with the death also, we can say that our life has gone back to Krishna. Therefore, after understanding the sambandha jnana with Krishna, we should come to the next stage of abhidheya, Atma and the eternal relative, and we are all the servant of Krishna. Coming to prayojan level, prayojan is the end result. If we cross the stages of after understanding sambandha with Krishna, and hence coming to the next stage of abhidheya by acting the Atma and as the eternal relative and the servant of Krishna. Why in ISKCON people are saying we are servant of Krishna? Even somebody is having ego that they are saying that I am the boss, but nobody is here boss. Only one enjoyer is there, that is Krishna, and Krishna is enjoying all of us. Whatever I am doing, I cannot say that I have done. No, I do not have any identity other than the servant of Krishna. So in abhidheya stage, we'll act on the platform of Atma, and we would have realized that Krishna is the only eternal relation for us, and hence our only activity will be satisfying Krishna. For satisfaction of Krishna, we all are doing. Even today, I can say people are sleeping and people have not got up, and people are still lazy, watching the TV shows and all. We few people who are associated, exploring the Bhagavad Gita and attending this Gita Sandesh course provided by Raghunath Puri Das Prabhu and Krishna Swami Prabhu, because we are fortunate souls. So there is no doubt on this. So because of this, we will not have the material attachments, because we are attached to Krishna. So material attachment is gone. Khalas. So we will always be immersed in Krishna's thoughts. So jare dekho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. So anybody you are finding anywhere on the on the road, on even on the business malls, so just speak about Krishna. So that by that you will not have any nonsense talks, and no dirty thoughts are coming to entering your mind. So always we will be on Krishna prema. In this stage, after our death, we will be gifted the prayojana, that is the result of going back to Krishna himself. Everybody saying what is the life after death. So Prabhupada has clearly said, so by doing the devotional service to Krishna and by getting the associationship with all the Vaishnavas, So you will be going to the, going back to the Godhead. This is the simplified explanation of Sambandha, Avidya and Prayojan to my knowledge level. And Dandavat Pranam to all. And I am really very fortunate that I have got all your association. Every now and then I am just making this useful program to again further, repetition of these programs. I'll request Prabhuji, or otherwise I can take the lead. I'll be continuing doing several programs like this and to get all these people within the group. The bonding should be there. The bonding should be there. And Prabhuji and Raghunath Puri Prabhuji and Krishna Swami Prabhuji, I beg your mercy that please bless me so that I'll be involving with the book distribution and preaching in a more serious way after going to Odisha.
Thank you.
So I'm leaving Muscat on 15th and going back to my home country, India.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Prem Raja Prabhu. I think you are the first one who logs in into before we log in. So that is the enthusiasm that you have. So thank you so much, Prabhu. And today we are missing your background Goloka chart. But
I have removed everything, and everything is in paired condition. Everything is in paired condition. So,
okay. So
Friday, Saturday is weekend over here in Middle East because this is Muslim country, and anybody like all the Muslim friends, they are saying me Salam Alaikum. I am again repeating them Hare Krishna. So they have started saying Hare Krishna. So this is the kind of reaction from them. They are saying also Hare Krishna. Then I said, raise your hands and say Hare Krishna. They are saying raising.
You are boldly preaching in foreign countries also. What to talk about in India when you come back? We are sure that we will want you to engage yourself in taking this movement forward, Srila Prabhupada mission. Thank you, Prem Raja Prabhu, for your wonderful association. It's been a blessing.
Yeah, my Vaishnavi's name is Sundari Rukmani Devidasi, and I have only son. He is Abhijit Maharana. So we are from Vishwakarma caste, Prabhu. If you will say Konark temple, the Sun temple Konark. And even we are carving the Jagannath deities. So I'll be in that style. I'll be into that business partially, not for my, earning money. It is for the seva to Lord Jagannath. The way Prabhupada has made the, popularity of Jagannath Rath Yatra throughout the world. At least our small endeavor will reach to every house. There is Jagannath deity should be there, and people would be worshipping my Lord of the Lords.
Yes, Jai Jagannath. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. Jai Baldev. Jai Subhadra Mai. So thank you, Prabhuji, for your information. I also belong to Orissa. I was born in Sunabeda, Koraput division. So we have good relationship. Somehow Krishna arranged.
Yes.
Thank you, Prabhu.
So you must be speaking my language.
We will, Prabhu. So, Prabhuji, before we move on, I wanted to ask one question that I have, where you mentioned in your presentation, we can develop different relationship with Krishna. Can you insight or provide some examples how we can develop? What are the practical ways you can realize that?
Sambandha.
Yeah, basically how you can have different relationship with Krishna, and how is that practically we can do that? Yes, you said as a child, as a mother, but again from our personal perspective, how can we put that into practice?
I'll tell you, Prabhu. You are saying that I'll be giving some quotes or examples when it has happened.
How you can practically implement this principle that you said, developing that relationship with Krishna, how you can see to it that you are able to take that principle and put it into practice. How is that possible? That's my question, Prabhu.
Yeah. Like we have to first, the way you said Ados Radha. So we have to have that determination that I should love Krishna. Krishna is the supreme. So when Krishna is supreme, then we have to surrender. somebody is coming powerful, we do not have anything else to do rather to surrender. So raising hands, the way we Vaishnav devotees are doing, and we are touching the feet of the Matajis and Prabhujis. So especially the brahmacharis who are leaving the family part and going directly to the seva and staying there in the temple. So sannyasis and brahmacharis they have really sacrificed their life for,
yes, Prabhu, what you said is correct. So as you mentioned, we can get attached to Krishna, especially by whatever mood we have to serve Krishna, we can get attached. As a mother, as a child, as a father, as a friend. Anyways, you can, service is the key. So how you want to serve? By preaching, by book distribution, by whatever way. Just think about a way that you can serve Krishna. So that's the key. Thank you, Prabhuji, for your wonderful
selling the bead bags and japamala is also service. And
anything
right now during Corona, all these online platforms are there. Like as we are doing here in this platform with the, what is the software we are using, sir?
Zoom,
and Google Chat, Google Meet is there. So other platforms are there. Through that we can reach world at large. Many people would be joining, sitting at their own comfortable place, and we can get their association. So by our small endeavor, so Prabhupada would be happy, Guru Maharaj would be happy, and ultimately Krishna is
Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Thank you, Prabhuji, for your wonderful presentation and participation. One last, so anybody would like to add anything or have any other thing that they wanted to contribute today? Okay, Pavan Kumar Prabhu, yeah, any quick inputs you can unmute, and I think we can give chance to Chandrasekhar Prabhu. Chandrasekhar Prabhu, go ahead, Prabhu. Chandrasekhar Prabhu.
Am I audible, Prabhuji?
Yes, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu, for taking up the opportunity. Go ahead, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam, Prabhuji, to all. And first, I would like to thank to all my classmates in the Gita Sandesha course. They inspired me a lot by asking their questions. So I got more interest in the subject matter of the Bhagavad Gita. So Prabhuji, today I want to share some points which are very highlight and which inspire me very lot. Those points are actually, Prabhuji, I want to say that I'm sorry, I could not be able to attend the last 6 classes, 6 chapters. I attended only up to 12th chapter. Anyway, but I noted some important points, and I would like to share all these points with everyone. Like from the starting onwards, the first point is, answer our teacher, we cannot able to apply the learned skill and knowledge in our life successfully. So this is the first point I want to share. So it is, I feel very happy because
Prabhuji, your audio is becoming.
Second thing.
Yeah, go ahead. Keep your microphone closer.
Yes,
some network issues are there.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Yeah, it's better now.
Yes, Prabhuji. Second point, people who are following the path of Dharma, they will not have fear in the heart. So this is another point I liked it. And you said another thing. There is a saying in the English: if you don't stand for something, then you will fall for everything. So what I am covering is all the important points, Prabhuji. And another point, Prabhuji, you said ounce of practice is better than tons of theory. And you said another one important line from the Bible: do not hate the sinner, but the sin. So it is already connecting with the Bhagavad Gita line that whoever is Stita Prajna, only they can do this. So there is a strong connection between the other scriptures. So do not hate the sinner, but the sin. And another point, Prabhuji, you said lust is the great enemy of the soul. and how to conquer it is lust resides in the senses, mind, and intelligence. So if you how to control senses means that is by doing the seva. How we can control the mind is by doing sadhana, that is spiritual practice. And by, how our intelligence can be in the right way is because it is by the study of the scriptures. So we can control the lust in this way. So this is a very clear understanding how to control the lust. So I liked it. Then another Vedic aphorism that you said, aim to see God through the ears rather than the eyes. So it is really inspired me to have the right vision towards our Vedic scriptures, because only by the hearing we can get the right knowledge, but not by the seeing. So hearing is most important. Then last, another is another important point, Prabhuji. Friends, it is about friends. So you said friends do not have envious feelings among them. So this is also inspired me a lot. And another, Prabhuji, yes. Another very highlighted point, Prabhuji, you said you are not the human beings on a spiritual journey, but you are a spiritual being on a human journey. So this also. And another thing, Prabhuji, one bhakta said in the Kannada, you said, na hoge hogiti, means when what you are feeling, that we are always thinking, I am this body, I am this body. When this I goes from our mind, then only we can able to get the liberation and we get the service of the Lord and love. Is it audible?
Yes, Prabhu, yes. We are just immersed in your talk. Go ahead, Prabhu.
Okay, Prabhuji. Another thing, Prabhuji, you said, I mean, when you're explaining, you are giving the very crystal clear difference between different stages of devotee. Like you said about Yoga Mishra Bhakta, means even this Yoga Mishra Bhakta has three qualities. He will accept the Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And he also do not have the sense gratification, but still he desires the liberation. So you are saying, even though he is accepting the Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, even though he don't have sensification, still he desires liberation, but still it is not enough, because we must get the service of God, that is love of the God, and that can be possible only through by serving the Krishna out of love. So if we stay at the Yoga Mishra Bhakta, there is still chance to fall down again this material world. So we must should not stop at that stage. That is also very important point, Prabhuji, I understood from this class. And last, Prabhuji, last point today I want to share that it is about how our science is misleading our all the people of the world. That is said about the moon. Moon distance is greater than the sun distance. So American people, they really cheated. This is the very right example that all the humanity has the cheating propensity. Said we have humans are not perfect. We have imperfections. So one of it is cheating propensity. So it is also very clearly proved that all humanity has a cheating propensity. So they said they led on the moon, but it is not that. So Bhagavad is ending us in all these ways. So thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, Chandrasekhar Prabhu, words cannot express sometimes. In fact, you are like a swan. The swan, when milk and water are together, it can separate out and drink only milk and leave out water. So the way you have filtered out whatever you have heard is marvelous, Prabhu. I could also have not done this so perfectly the way you have done it. So after this meeting is over, I will, once the recording is available, I will listen to your revelations and your filtered thoughts that you have gathered together so that I can also get the benefit. Thank you so much, Chandrasekhar Prabhu, for your excellent way to capture things, the essential things in life. And so really hats off, Prabhu. Thank you very much. We would like to have your association also. continuously, because that will really help us in our spiritual journey. Thank you once again, Chandrasekhar Prabhu. Dandavat pranam to you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Prabhuji, Malti Mataji, you can unmute.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavat pranam Mataji.
Prabhuji, like I don't have any subject matter to talk about, but I just want to show my gratitude towards you that you pushed me in a service on Gita Sandesh. So like you have gave me a chance, Prabhuji, because I am also as one of the participant like before, but you have made me to do my service, even though it is staying at home, and you have provided me the service. Because of you only I got a chance to mingle with the ISKCON, because I am not a pure devotee. So I'm still in learning stage, but I got a service to do with Krishna. I'm very happy, and with that, with this service, Prabhuji, I have learned how to do in a good way that that our ABCD process, and my sadhana is also increased, so that I want to serve more to Krishna. This is what I learned after doing the service in Gita Sandesh Telugu program, Prabhuji. And I just want to show my gratitude towards you that you have given me a very good opportunity. You have put you actually pushed me in the service, Prabhuji. Before that, I said that I have so many material chores or problems, this and that, that you have used only one word, that if you serve Krishna, the Krishna will take care of everything. So with that word, I much more convinced that, and everything got set, Prabhuji. After taking this service, all my material problems, what I have previously, everything got set, and I got more chance to serve in this Krishna consciousness, Prabhuji. So I am very happy, and even my sadhana got increased, Prabhuji. Before that, I have some pitfalls in my sadhana, but now because I want to serve more, how can I serve to Krishna? So my attitude has become lot changed in Krishna consciousness, Prabhuji. It is all because of you, so that I want to show my gratitude in this platform. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavat pranam, Malti Mataji. So one of the differentiation factor, each one of us, is that we are all filled up with so much enthusiasm. But again, we need to express that and dovetail it with Krishna, and which you have done. And keep up the enthusiasm, Mataji, and all of you for your enthusiasm. It's not easy to give all these 20 days or 25 days. And some of you have really taken the time. So, and whatever little credit that you are giving, it is not mine, it is from Guru Parampara and Srila Prabhupada mercy. I am just not even an instrument, but just a speck of dust in front of all of them. So thank you very much, Mataji. Dandavat pranam to all of you. So if, thank you, Mataji, once again. If no other devotee is there to speak, then we can wind up today's session. And we wanted to play some videos, but fortunately we had good speakers who came forward and they expressed their views. That's really good. But anyways, we have more association to continue. So we'll run this video some other time. Okay, so some two other participants. Priya Mataji. Go ahead, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Dandavat pranam, Mataji.
Hare Krishna to all the devotees. Prabhuji, this was a very wonderful session. I'm very thankful to you. Prabhuji, first of all, I would like to say very short that you were a Krishna to all the Arjunas in this group.
Oh,
so
no.
you've answered
Mataji.
all our questions. You have cleared all our doubts. It was a wonderful session. I could not miss even a single day. So I eagerly wait for 6 o'clock. And it was very interesting. Your PPTs were very colorful and also very easy to understand. As Mataji said, and the acronyms were very useful for us to remember chapter wise. And very thankful for you to sharing all the recordings too, because all my friends and relatives all joined the Gita Sandesh together, but you were the only group which was sharing the recordings. And it was very interactive session. Compared to them, they all completed by 18 days. but we kept on moving, and then we didn't feel like, ending the session at all. I wish it just went on. So thank you so much, Prabhuji, and thank you all the devotees. Hare
Thank
Krishna.
you, Priya Manjunath Mataji. So nicely you expressed your feelings, and we would like to have sincere devotees like you to continue and give your association. Thank you very much. What do you do, Mataji? Where are you located? Thank you, Mataji.
Prabhuji, I am from Bangalore, Prabhuji. I am associated with ISKCON here, and I've been doing from 1 year. So I'm in the advanced level, but still I didn't want to miss the Gita Sandesh, and I'm really very happy that I could do it. I do 16 rounds of chanting every day, but still this session and your live examples is amazing, Prabhuji. I keep sharing with my family also all the examples you quoted every single day. So your pastime stories and everything which you quote, all the examples which I want to convey, I'm sharing with them.
Thank you, Priya Mataji. So nicely you are able to do chanting also. You have wonderful association, and so thank you so much, Mataji. And we would like you to also spread this through our online forum that we have. Please do get in touch with us, and we can spread it across. Thank you so much, Mataji, Priya Mataji. Hare Krishna. Dandavat pranam to you. Hare Krishna. Yes, Prabhuji, any other devotees have any?
Yeah, I think last words, Premraj Prabhu wants to say something.
Yeah, so before that, any other devotees have who have wanted to speak, because we are running out of time?
Yeah, Prabhu.
Anybody else is there, or I'll start, Prabhu?
1 second, Prabhu. Okay. Yes, Prabhuji, go ahead, Prabhu. Very quick, we need to end.
Prabhu, I'll take just 2 minutes. Prabhu, the way you said, maintaining and creating the sambandha with Krishna, I have felt like on my own experience, I have heard few parents, those who are not getting the kid, I advise them, buy the Laddu Gopal to your home, offer them milk, and wish them that, oh Laddu Gopal, please come as a son to our family. So it has happened miracle. It has happened miracle. Those girls, they have done nicely seva, and everybody has got their own babies, and it is boy baby only. Of course, I do not have any discrimination for Radhe. So of course, boys and girls are both important for us, and I do not have all those discriminations. And they all have worshipped Laddu Gopal, and they got baby boys. I gave them the name as Gopal, Gobind and Kanha, like that. So three families, they have been blessed with baby boys.
Thank you, Prabhu.
It has happened like 4 years, 5 years of married life, and they were struggling for this one. And I said simply, worship Laddu Gopal. Bring Laddu Gopal and offer them everyday milk and do this one. So when doctors are failure and parents are struggling and family members are worried, so our small Laddu Gopal has made the miracle.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhuji. So as Prabhuji mentioned, if Krishna thinks to give you, nobody can stop you. So we can depend upon Krishna for everything. He is our Mata, he is our Pita, and he is our everything. So we can pray for him. And as Prabhuji rightly mentioned, Laddu Gopal can come here on your home, and you can serve Laddu Gopal as your as a small child, Laddu Gopal. And the mercy of this Laddu Gopal deity is that you don't have to take care of him the way you take care of the big deities or any other deities. Laddu Gopal, he is very pleasing whatever you do. So that is the beauty about having Laddu Gopal in your home. So thank you, Premraja Prabhu, for sharing that. And as Prabhuji was mentioning, coming from a medical background, all these infertility centers that you have so much cropped up, like mushrooms. Why? Because we in this city age and this modern age, so much of stress is there. So because of the stress also, the hormones are not getting generated such that conceivement can happen. So that is one of the reasons. And the adulteration that is there in the foods that we eat, that also is the other cause. Very important cause is that the medical practice that is going on in is looting us. And in Panchagarbhya, we have a medicine called Nandi Ark. And this Nandi Ark, this is prepared from the Nandi, this the ox, the bull, Gomotra, and then this will increase the sperm count, and it will the infertility rate will come down, and they can also conceive. So this is authentic way and with no side effects. The other means are so much there. Okay, anyways, the point is that we need to have loving devotional service towards Krishna, and that is where is the core. And whether children are there, not there, we just have to take it as mercy of Krishna. And if he gives, he gives. If not, we can serve Laddu Gopal, and we can serve the Vaishnavas and Guru Parampara, and serve the movement. That's all our eternal want, and that's the eternal desire that one should have. Thank you, Prabhujis and Matajis, for your wonderful participation. And we would like to continue this feedback session. But again, we can do this one more time. If you can send me a messages saying that we didn't get the chance and we want to do some presentation, we can extend this forum for one more day based on your feedback. We can continue having this feedback session with your presentation. If suppose somebody thought that, oh, I never knew that we can do presentation like this. So do the presentation, prepare the presentation. Definitely, if not tomorrow, day after, we will give you an opportunity as soon as possible to give your presentation or do your presentation. So thank you once again, all of you. And it's been my pleasure, my great fortune to have all of you and serve you to whatever little extent that I could do based on the teachings that and inspiration that I have from Srila Prabhupada and Gurus and senior Vaishnavas. There are so many shortcomings on my end, I know for sure. And with your blessings, I wanted to overcome them. And I wanted you to become great preachers and great people who can follow more vigorously than what I do or what all of us are doing, by increasing your seva, sadhana and swadhyaya. So that is where you can get the benefit of this association, and please do strive for it and spread this message across of Krishna and reach the Goloka, if not in this life, but aspire to go to Goloka. So Krishna will fulfill your desire because he knows he is Bhavagrahi Janardana. So he knows your bhava and he will definitely take you back and come and take you back. Thank you, Prabhu, for all of you, for your wonderful participation. We will do small short kirtan and then
before we start kirtan, just from all, okay, just don't want to carry on. Prabhuji has taken so much of efforts, and especially for last so many days, these presentations and everything which Prabhuji, naturally he has done in such a way so that he can explain us. And by the offering of all the participants and devotees now, I would say it's really so enlightening to us, and the kind of knowledge which you all have gained. We all just pray that Prabhuji just continue to give on giving these opportunities to everyone, and because of he only associated me in this way. And thank you, Prabhu. Thank you for your mercy. And yes, we all pray that this part of the journey keeps on going ahead and everyone becomes a devotee, a good preacher, as you have said. Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Raghunath Prabhu, wonderful seva you have done, and Ashok Prabhu and Govardhan Prabhu also contributed a lot, and I'm indebted. I'm just being a mouthpiece here, but back end all they have done the work. Thank you very much. We'll end with a short kirtan. Please be
Prabhu, when certificates are coming.
Yes, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu. That's a Goloka book. Yeah.
When certificates are coming.
Okay.
4-5 days. 4-5 days, Prabhu.
Okay,
yes,
okay.
We will inform you, Prabhu, on the channel.
Yeah. So thank you, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. So we'll do kirtan and we'll end for today. And please be open to see the information that we are going to share on the WhatsApp group.
Khushbu Mataji is doing the kirtan. Prabhuji, Khushbu Mataji is doing the kirtan.
So we will ask any other devotee who would like to do it, because we can give opportunity. Jaipal Prabhu. Okay. Megha Shukla Mataji. Yes. Go ahead, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
Mataji,
Hare
Pushpu Mataji can
Krishna.
follow. Yeah, you can do the kirtan. Pushpu Mataji can follow after you. Yeah, go ahead, Mataji. Please forgive me.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Jai Prabhupada. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Go ahead, Mataji. Go ahead. Jai Prabhupada.
Jai Prabhupada, Jai Srila Prabhupada. Hari Bol, Dandavat Pranam to all. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भगवद गीता की जय। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
कृष्ण स्वामी प्रभु की जय, आज के आनंद की जय,
जय
रघुनाथपुरी प्रभु की जय,
जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय।
जय जय
हरि हरि बोल,
हरि बोल, हरि बोल। थैंक यू वेरी मच। हैव अ नाइस डे।
दिस इज द ब्लिस, दिस इज द ब्लिस प्रभु, दिस इज द ब्लिस, दिस इज द ब्लिस।
थैंक यू।
हरि हरि बोल,
हरि बोल।